Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, about 7:30. We're down here at Sand Hollow, Idaho. Just parked at the truck stop last night, and just out here doing our pre-trip. I want to show you guys something crazy I just noticed. It's not on my truck. The amount of rust on that rim. Anyways, that's a lot of rust. I wouldn't run that. So the plan for today is to reload with some mulch over here in New Plymouth, and then take that down to Salt Lake, back to West Valley City. And then after that, I have no idea. So, anyways. Alrighty. Alrighty, now it's almost like we're human, you know? See with our eyeballs and not just with our hands. Alright, we're over here in Fruitland. Just got our lightweight ticket, so now we can go get loaded, come back and get our heavyweight. Alrighty, we are loaded up. Gonna go back to the truck stop, check our weights.
SD card has been removed.
Pretty sure we're probably like 102, 103, but
SD card detected.
it'll be something like that. Either way. Alright, we are all loaded and legal, and got a little bit less than what I was thinking, so, but it's alright. If I went back and tried to get a little bit more, usually what happens is you get too much. Now you're playing the game of unloading and reloading, and it's just easier sometimes just to run with what you got. Unless you're overweight, then it's worth changing it. But anyways, get on the highway, head to the yard, get our truck looked at, and
SD card detected.
head on down to Salt Lake. Yeah. We are all down at the shop. Got some new steer tires put on, truck greased and looked over. We're all good to go. So we don't have to be down there to Utah until tomorrow morning at some point. So I am gonna go to the house. It is currently 12:30. Should be over there about 1:30. We'll leave later tonight. Head on down to Salt Lake. The rest of the day off. Anyways, alrighty, well, it's Tuesday evening, about 5:41, and just got back to the truck. Now we're going to head down to Utah. So, about a 5 or 6 hour drive or something like that. 4.5, 5 hours. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get to it. I'd hop on here, show you that we made it down into Utah. Show that beautiful sun. Getting close to sunset, you know, my favorite time of the day. But anyways, we'll get back to driving. Alrighty, we just got down here into the Salt Lake Valley, you know, Tremont or Tremerton. Anyways, look at the sun off of those mountains in the background there. Man, is that gorgeous. Anyways, we're about hour and 15 minutes away from where we're going. About 80 miles. So, yeah, just cruising. Anyways, I seem to have lost the rest of the footage of this night. But we made it down there. Made it down there by the airport to unload our mulch in the morning. And just appreciate everybody watching these videos. It's really nice. Anyways, bye.